have to smoke, stupid. Don't you know that's bad for you? You smoke. Yeah, but it's not for you. Yeah, well, if it wasn't for you, I probably wouldn't smoke, believe me. How is it my fault? Explain to me, Roberto. How? Remember when I was 8 years old and I found your smokes? What did you do, huh? What did you do? You made me smoke the whole pack, that's what you done. I was trying to teach you a lesson, stupid. Yeah, well, you scarred me, didn't ya? If you don't stop, I'm gonna scar you again. Me? Yeah. You wouldn't even get close at your age now, Dad. I got the reflexes of a steel cat. Yeah, reflex of a pussycat. Did you just slap me? That's called a stealth slap. You don't see it coming. It's a big secret. Nobody knows about it. Shh. Can you teach me? Teach you? No. Why? Because you're stupid. That's why. You're stupid.
Don't talk to your father like that!
I think that was your mother. That one there. Your mother once slapped un compare Dorido from the other side of the village because he said to our Maratina that your mother was a heavyweight and she never boxed in her life. But let me tell you something. She was a little bit chubby on the chubby side. Let me tell you that.
I heard that, Pippo!
Jeez! That's a sette bello Scopa. That's 2 points, Dad. And I win. Thank you very much, police. Yeah, you're gonna need the police, so let me tell you they run now. Huh? Why?
That's for next time!
Alright, you won. Let's play again. Okay, if we're gonna play again, just give me a sec, I'll be right back. Okay, you ready? Okay, I'm ready now. Good deal. You would have to be the biggest shamo I've ever met, dickhead.